Hello, everyone. This is Coach Prandy, a fundamentals of computing teacher at South Aiken High School. Just wanted to give you a quick rundown of what we are covering. We've covered safety. We've covered student organizations. We will also cover technology knowledge, which will cover Word and Microsoft PowerPoint and Excel. We will also talk about employability skills, creating resumes. We will also cover professional knowledge, positive work habits, interpersonal skills, the roles that they play in the work environment. We will cover the evolution of computing and the history of computers, computer systems, how they work, the different parts of a computer. And then later this year, we'll talk about problem solving, computational thinking. We'll talk about programming. And we'll also talk about web design, creating our own website. We'll also talk about the legal and ethical and social issues concerning computers and the internet, and computer careers, and what you can do with all the different aspects within that. Okay, now we're going to talk about Schoology. Schoology is our platform in which we will complete all of our assignments, submit our assignments, and each student already has worked on Schoology, so they all know their passwords and usernames. You are able to just have your student log into Schoology to see what they're doing, and or you can request. I will provide you with a parent code if you would like. You just have to send me an email to do that. But Schoology, again, is a platform in which we complete our assignments and submit them. There are two ways to find current assignments, upcoming assignments on the right-hand side here. As you can see, it gives the name and the date in which it's due. All you have to do is click on it. All assignments are linked, and you can jump right to them. One other way, which is very useful, and we suggest that the students and parents look at the grades, because on the grades, you can see the assignments. Again, they are linked, and it will give their the points that they earned for each assignment. Now, as you can see, assignments that just say 5 out of 5 or 7 out of 7 are graded by the computer and put in. If they have a little emoji, this paper emoji is one that they submitted, and if I don't have that paper emoji, then it would be a 0. Also, with the paper emoji, on some are the rubric icon. The rubric icon, as you can see, will show what's required on each assignment and how they get their grade. If an assignment is submitted, you'll see the paper icon and a dash. The dash just means the teacher needs to go grade that assignment. We also have an icon for our blogs. This is our blog icon and a rubric with that icon. They're required sometimes to create a blog and then respond to other students to get full credit. Now, if an assignment is missing, you would see a orange circle, and the orange circle indicates that it's a 0, and that is transferred over to PowerSchool as a 0. And we don't want zeros, so we need, and if you have a 0 or a grade that you want to redo, you just click right on the assignment, and it will take you to that assignment. You can complete it. We also, most assignments that I have, each student will have 3 opportunities to complete that assignment. And so if they make a bad grade on it or a grade that they're not happy with, they're able to retake it and, increase their grade, which is very helpful for them. Okay, if you would like to see what was submitted, you're able to go to the assignment, click on the assignment name. It will take you to the assignment. Then you are able to, on the right-hand side, assignment submitted, select that, and it will take you to what your student has submitted, and then you're able to see exactly what they did with that assignment. Okay. Also, there are times in which you will see writing out to the right-hand side. For example, if they made 10 out of 12, there are times in which we write what was wrong, or if it's a 0 out of 12 and they submitted the wrong assignment, or submitted a blank page. There are many times students think they submit the right thing and do not. That would indicate just go back and submit the correct assignment. Again, we have set Schoology up in our units, and each unit, for example, student organizations, would have the week assignments, like week of September 13th through September 17th. You would select that week, and then each assignment has a title and then the date underneath in which it is due. And if you select the assignment, of course, it takes you to the assignment and the instructions and directions that you would need to follow, whether it's watch a short video, look at a PowerPoint, and then complete an assignment. So if you have any questions concerning your child and Schoology and PowerSchool and how it works, please email me at MPrandy, that's PRANDY, at acpsd.net, or you could call the school and leave a message. I will return your call as soon as I can do that. I'm available during Power Hour, the first half of Power Hour for sure. Right now I'm in Power Hour the entire Power Hour. So if your student needs to come see me, ask questions, they can email me, come to Power Hour, and we can take care of any questions that they or you might have. Thank you for your time, and have a great evening.